the brand new NUU B40 5G, a smartphone that's packing premium features at a budget-friendly price at just $299. What makes it special? This is America's first dual AMOLED smartphone. Yes, dual AMOLED screens in one device. NUU has always focused on making cutting-edge tech affordable. With the Android 15, a 120 GHz refresh rate, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, this phone sounds like a serious contender. Let's dive in and unbox it. Inside of the box, you get everything you need right out of the gate. We get the B40 5G phone, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, a 33-watt fast charger, a protective case, even some new stickers. That's refreshing to see. Most brands skip the chargers these days, but NUU keeps it complete. The phone itself feels solid and slim in the hand, and that little rear Vista display instantly catches your eye. The main 6.8-inch FHD AMOLED display looks gorgeous. It's bright, smooth, and super vibrant, thanks to that 120 Hz refresh rate. But the real showstopper is on the back. The 1.6-inch Vista display. This small screen lets you stay connected at a glance. Check messages, incoming calls, music controls, or even a mini compass or a clock. No need to flip your phone over constantly. Just swipe through the widgets or tap to respond. It's surprisingly handy when you're at your desk driving or on the move.
Oh, wow.
The 64 megapixel camera captures crisp, detailed photos with vibrant colors. And the 16 megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls really well.
So, the current tactic.
But here's the clever part. You can actually use the rear camera for selfies, thanks to the Vista Display Viewfinder. That means sharper photos and better lighting when you're outside or traveling. Perfect for creators or anyone else who loves taking quality shots without carrying all that extra gear. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, which gives it a smooth, snappy feel. Apps open instantly, games run fluidly, and that 120 Hz display keeps scrolling buttery smooth. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts throughout the day of calls, videos, and social scrolling, and that 33-watt fast charging outlet gets you back in full in about 1 hour. So you're spending more time using your phone, and less time waiting for a wall outlet. For under $300, the NUU B40 5G is a serious value pick. You're getting dual AMOLED displays, strong cameras, fast performance, and a great battery life. All in a sleek, modern design. The B40 5G officially launches October 22nd, 2025 on NUU's website and TikTok shops and hits Amazon November 15th. Big thanks to NUU for sending this early for review. I'm honestly impressed with how much they packed into this phone. If you like smart tech that won't break the bank, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more weekly reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. NUU B40, just for good visibility and excellent refresh rates.